Wait for a sec. Wait for a second. Wait. Sorry, guys. I'm not meaning to. Guys, I think I did something wrong. Sorry, I'm not meaning. No, guys, I'm an idiot, okay? I'm an idiot. Don't worry, I'm such a baby. Oh, Blue's gonna win. Blue, you're idiot. You walk lots of times. You're such poopy. Well, I already know where it is. This way. This way. This way. Oh wait, what? What the freak? I said I already know where it is. I swear. Where is it? Because this way. Nobody ever found it. Aw, it's not fair. Cherry Blossom? Who's Cherry Blossom? Other Cherry Blossom. I see him. You cherry. Are you cherry? So skinny. Oh, I don't want to be so skinny. I don't want to be so fat. Again? I'm going to do it again. Oh, I can't. Never mind. Watch out. Okay, I better not fail, okay? Because I did this yesterday. Dude, I hate my